My name is Thomas Matthew Crooks. I hate Republicans, I hate Trump, and guess what? You got the wrong guy.
Welcome back to the channel, party people. I found a second rifle that I'll show you soon, and in my previous video I showed that the Pittsburgh Police Department only sent 10 motorcycle cops to Trump's rally.
New at 5:30 tonight, the Pittsburgh Police Union is fiercely defending two members, motorcycle supervisors, who were part of the Trump motorcade in Butler and since removed from that unit.
As Mamie Ba reports, there's confusion over whether they should have been part of the security.
So many questions. Were those officers authorized to be there or were they not? Beth Pittenger, the executive director of the Citizen Police Review Board, tells me they will look into it.
There's a dispute whether they had authorization to be there or if they decided on their own they were going to go. We don't know how they got there.
10 motorcycle officers were part of the former president's motorcade Saturday.
They may have had permission to be there. That we don't know. That has to be established, and the public has the right to know that.
Pittsburgh Police Department only sent 10 motorcycle cops to Trump's rally. However, 12 motorcycle cops attended, including these two cops. And as I showed you, there were only 11 motorcycles that arrived when the bikes parked on the road. Count the motorcycles. There are 11 of them. Where is the 12th motorcycle? When you see the bikes turn around on the roadway, they stop and park right here on the road. Since there were 12 motorcycle cops that attended Trump's rally, and only 11 of them parked on the road, where is the 12th cop and the 12th motorcycle? Is this the 12th motorcycle right here? Right at the building where the shots allegedly came from? This is apparently a Butler police officer. So if this motorcycle isn't the 12th Pittsburgh cop motorcycle, then who rode this bike and parked at the building where the shots were allegedly fired from?
He's gonna get him! He's dead. I just seen his hair go up. They shot him in the head.